Hello friends. In this video, we will see how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word. Grammarly is a tool that can be useful for checking spelling, grammar, punctuation, and other mistakes in text. You can use Grammarly as free. Grammarly plays a role as your writing assistant and suggests you throughout your writing journey. So, let's get started. I am Jack from the Educational Alliance. Now open any browser that you want. This is the browser. Click it here and enter Grammarly from Microsoft Word. You will be on this page. Then click on this first link and you will land on this web page. This is a Grammarly web page where we do add Grammarly add-ins. So click on Grammarly add and it's free. And you will be on this screen. At here, downloading will start automatically, and the X file will be downloaded into your computer. It will take a few minutes, so hold tight. Okay, it's done. Now click on the little arrow of this file, and a drop-down menu will come up. Press open it here. A new dialog box will appear here. It welcomes notes from Grammarly. Click on Get Started here to proceed further. As you see, now Grammarly asks you to select the product to whom you installing this one. By default, it is selected for both products, but I need it for only MS Word, so I am going to check marked it one. You may select as per your need. And click on the Install button at here. Now installation is in progress. Okay, installation is done successfully and Grammarly is launched on MS Word. If you have already opened MS Word, then restart MS Word to activate the Grammarly add-in at MS Word. Otherwise, open Microsoft Word. Press Finish it here. Now let's open Microsoft Word to check. As you see, MS Word is opened and at the top right side of its Grammarly add-in appeared. Okay, let's type something at here to check Grammarly add-in work properly or not. Now click on Grammarly add-in. As you see, it's asking for a login to check the documents. Click on Sign In. Here, new dialog box appeared and asked to log in with the default email address. So, I am logging in with my email. You can log in with the email address that you want. Now click on Continue to Grammarly. It's signing now. Let's go to the MS Word file to check. Okay, as you see now, Grammarly suggests on all words that has any mistake or error. You can correct these spelling and grammar by clicking on each word of suggestions like this. Okay, it's all done. This is the auto-populated window of Grammarly that asked for Premier users about Premier plans. You have the choice to upgrade your Grammarly plan as per needs. That's it, guys. As you see, how easy to add Grammarly to MS Word. Thanks for watching this video.